Hi everyone, so we're going to show you a super easy hairstyles. Two of them really quick, just to show you how cute large bows are with it. We love to wear our large bargain bows to dance, maybe with a bun, but if she's going to school, she will usually wear her hair in a ponytail. Okay, so an easy, cute way to wear large 8-inch, 7-inch bows, and we'll show you one of the new ones that we got in, is to just put it directly in a ponytail. Not only that, it's going to keep really easily in the ponytail. Also, if you guys don't use this is amazing detangler. It smells so good. Doesn't leave like any film on the hair. I even use it on my son who has curly hair, and it works really great. Doesn't it smell good? You love it, right? And I usually use a bristle type brush just to like tame it a little bit. Okay, and Madison's hair is a little crazy. And I wanted to show you guys these easy hairstyles. And it's not like you don't know how to do a ponytail. I'm sure everyone knows how to do a ponytail. But I want to show you how cute, even if you don't know how to do difficult hairstyles, that how cute the larger bows can really be. Okay, so just make sure it's as smooth as possible. Their children, they're just going to roll around on the floor probably and jump on couches and destroy their hair anyways. That's what I like to say. So you can put it in a ponytail. To brush this through. Okay, so you can put it in a ponytail, and then you can use, this is one of our new styles. We offer this in many different colors. Thank you. Okay, so this is really cute. Turn to the side. Okay, really cute just for these larger hairstyles, or even a solid 8-inch bargain bow. Or what you can do, sorry, I know that cut a little bit. Or what you can do is put it in like a messy bun, which is really cute. Plus I think you can get these like higher on top of their heads. You can even put in a messy bun. Obviously super extremely easy. Okay, just like pull it, because once you put a large bow in the front, not even gonna look that messy anymore. Turn to the side. Gonna look really super cute. And we wear these a lot to dance, and you love wearing them. Look, see, and then we love wearing them like this, just up in a ponytail, and yeah. You love it? Okay, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye everyone.